Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from Kraken to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you moving your assets securely in no time. XDC, or Zinfin's digital currency, is gaining popularity, and keeping it in a personal wallet like Trust Wallet is a smart move for better control and security. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready. An active Kraken account with XDC in it, the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and a basic understanding of crypto transfers. Always double-check network compatibility. XDC uses its own network, so we'll stick to that. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XDC wallet. If you don't see it, add the XDC network manually by going to Settings and searching for Shinfin. Once there, copy your XDC wallet address. That's the key to receiving your funds. Step 2. Head over to your Kraken account on your computer or mobile app. Log in securely and go to the Withdraw section, usually found in the account dashboard. Step 3. Search for XDC in the withdrawal options. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, Step 4. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient address field on Kraken. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Kraken. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once done, sit back and wait for the transfer to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's complete, check your Trust Wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.